So I'll be showing you how to restore or how to recover deleted photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So when you delete items from your gallery, so for instance, you go to your gallery, select a couple of photos and delete them. These photos are moved to the recycle bin, okay? And in the recycle bin, you can actually restore them before they get permanently deleted. You have a window of about 30 days within which you can go to the menu, tap on recycle bin, select the items you had deleted, and then tap on restore, and those items are going to be moved from the recycle bin back into the main gallery. Okay, and that is basically how to recover or how to restore deleted items from your gallery on the S24 series. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.